Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we'll teach you how to engage inactive mobile users. Within your OptinMonster dashboard, click on Pop-up. Next, we'll choose the Estate template. You'll want to name your campaign and you can start building. Within OptinMonster's drag and drop builder, you can completely customize all elements of your campaign. We'll start by changing the text. And within the text editor, you'll want to inspire engagement with something like a free lead magnet, in this case, an ebook we're offering to our website visitors. Click on any part of the campaign to customize it. Make any design adjustments accordingly. We'll edit the Submit button, and by clicking on the pencil icon next to Submit button, we'll edit button style and content, and we'll change the button text to say, "Yes, please send immediately." Next, in display rules, we'll need to determine when our campaign will appear. Since we're targeting inactive mobile users, we'll want to click on if visitor inactive time is at least, and we'll choose 30 seconds. And the current URL path is any page, and the visitor's device is a mobile device, then we will show the opt-in view. Check that all is correct in the display rule summary. Next, in integrations, we'll connect our email marketing service provider to make sure that we can capture the emails generated by this campaign. Once we've connected with our email marketing service provider, we'll go to Analytics to connect our Google Analytics so we can track our conversions. Finally, in the Publish tab, we'll toggle from paused to live, and you'll need to follow the embed instructions for your web platform. Click Save, and you've successfully created a campaign to re-engage your inactive mobile users. If you have any questions, please look through our helpful documentation. And for further assistance, you can always submit a support ticket and we'll be more than happy to help.